Mini drones have opened up a whole new world of possibilities in the video and photography section. They are lightweight, compact and portable, which makes it easy to capture beautiful panoramic and overhead views. Over the time, mini drones have also evolved, and the latest models come with smart features like facial recognition, follow me mode, collision detection and hands-free filming. Number 1. Dirk Mini Drone. Dirk D20 Drone, a fantastic creation from the well-known Dirk brand, designed especially for beginners and kids. This little wonder comes with a 720p HD camera, so you can take awesome photos and videos from the sky. What's even more exciting is that it can stay in the air for up to 20 minutes, thanks to its 2 rechargeable batteries. Flying it is a breeze, with the 2.4 GHz control, perfect for newcomers. Plus, it has altitude hold, which means it can hover steadily at one height, making it super easy to control. Forget about figuring out which way it's facing with the headless mode feature. You can even do cool tricks with 3D flips. But that's not all. This drone lets you take photos and videos with hand gestures and allows you to draw a flight path on your smartphone, and it will follow it. It's small and light at just 69 grams, so you can take it anywhere. And it can fly up to 100 meters away and save your shots on an SD card. Whether you're a beginner or just a big kid at heart, the Dirk D20 is packed with fun and user-friendly features, making it perfect for awesome aerial adventures. Number 2. Holystone Mini Drone. Holystone 2 Holystone HS210, a fantastic mini drone from the trusted Holystone brand, well known for making drones that anyone can enjoy, whether you're just starting out or have some experience. The HS210 is perfect for kids and beginners, and it has something special, up to 21 minutes of flight time. That's made possible by including 3 batteries, so you can keep flying without long waits for recharging. Flying it is a breeze with the headless mode feature, which means you don't have to worry about which way the drone is facing. Plus, it can do cool 360-degree flips, adding a whole lot of fun to your flights. It's super lightweight at only 22 grams and comes with a 220 mAh battery. You control it with a simple remote, and it's great for all ages. Safety is a priority too, thanks to its full protection propeller guard. Whether you're a kid or a beginner, the Holystone HS210 is the perfect choice for easy and enjoyable drone flying. Number 3. Force One Mini Drone. Force One UFO 4000, the ultimate 2-speed LED stunt drone designed for kids and adults, embodying the brand's dedication to crafting fun and accessible remote control toys. This drone takes your flights to the next level with its cool 360 degrees flip capability, letting you perform amazing tricks in the air that'll impress everyone around. What sets the UFO 4000 apart are its vibrant neon-colored LEDs, turning nighttime flights into dazzling light shows. It's super easy to fly, thanks to features like altitude hold and headless mode, making it ideal for beginners. And here's the best part, it comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, giving you a total flight time of 18 minutes. Say goodbye to long waits for recharging. Safety is a priority too, with kid-friendly propeller guards in place. In a nutshell, the Force One UFO 4000 is a thrilling, user-friendly drone that promises heaps of fun for all ages. Number 4. Potensic Mini Drone. Potensic A20 RC Nano Quadcopter, a perfect drone for beginners and kids. Potensic is known for making drones that are easy to use, and the A20 is no exception. It comes with 3 batteries, so you can fly it for up to 15 to 18 minutes without any interruptions. Flying this drone is a breeze with its one-button takeoff and landing feature. Plus, you don't have to worry about which way it's facing, thanks to the headless mode. Safety is a priority with the A20, as it has sturdy propeller guards to protect it from accidental bumps. Controlling the drone is smooth and stable with the 2.4 GHz remote. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a fun and hassle-free drone, the Potensic A20 RC Nano Quadcopter is your ticket to exciting adventures in the sky. Number 5. DJI Mini Drone. DJI Mavic Mini Combo, the drone that's redefining the skies. DJI is renowned for pushing the boundaries of drone technology, and this tiny wonder is no exception. Weighing less than your average smartphone at just 0.55 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and portable. With a whopping 30-minute flight time on a single battery charge, you'll have plenty of airtime to capture stunning aerial photos and videos. This combo includes everything you need, from a user-friendly remote controller to spare batteries and propellers. The 12MP camera with 2.7K video recording ensures your shots are not just mesmerizing but also incredibly clear. Thanks to the 3-axis motorized gimbal, your footage remains stable, even in windy conditions. Controlling the Mavic Mini combo is a breeze with the simple DJI Fly app, compatible with both iOS and Android devices. If you're on the hunt for a compact, powerful, and easy-to-use drone, DJI's Mavic Mini combo is your perfect sky companion. Number 6. Atop Mini Drone. Atop, a brand that specializes in creating fantastic drones for kids. Their latest creation, the Atop X-Pac 2, is designed for kids aged 8 to 12 and brings the thrill of flying right to their fingertips. With just one button for easy takeoff and landing, along with features like headless mode, 3-speed options, and even voice control, this drone is a breeze to operate. What makes it even more exciting is the built-in FPV camera, which lets kids capture cool first-person view photos and videos. They can also enjoy augmented reality gaming and pull off amazing 3D flips for added fun. Powered by a 3.7V 1000 mAh lithium battery, it offers around 5 to 6 minutes of flight time on a single charge, and it comes with a handy USB charger and an easy-to-use remote control. Whether you're looking for a beginner-friendly drone or a unique gift idea, the Atop X-Pac 2 is all about fun and adventure in the sky. Number 7. Holyton Mini Drone. Holyton HS330 Mini Drone, a perfect choice for beginners. Holyton specializes in creating drones that are easy to use and fun to fly, and this one is no exception. It comes packed with features designed to make your flying experience a breeze, including auto hover for stable flight, headless mode to eliminate the confusion of direction, and 3-speed options to match your skill level. Plus, you can show off your skills with 3D flips and simply toss the drone to start flying. With 3 included batteries, you can enjoy 15 to 21 minutes of flying time before needing to recharge. Whether you're buying it as a gift for kids or trying out drone flying for the first time yourself, the Holyton HS330 Mini Drone offers a safe, user-friendly, and endlessly entertaining experience in the world of drones. Number 8. DJI Daolin Mini Drone. Atop DJI Daolin D9 drone, an excellent choice from a brand that knows how to make flying fun. It specializes in creating drone experiences that are perfect for kids, and the D9 is no exception. It's built tough to withstand crashes and offers 3-speed options, making it super easy to fly, especially for beginners. The headless mode eliminates the need to worry about which way it's pointing. Plus, you get 2 batteries, providing a generous 18 to 20 minutes of flight time. With specs like a 3.7V 300 mAh drone battery, 8 to 10 minutes of flight per battery, and a range of 200 to 260 feet, it's compact and reliable. Whether you're shopping for a child or taking your first steps into drone flying, the DJI Daolin D9 combines durability, simplicity, and endless fun in one awesome package. Number 9. Simrex Mini Drone. Simrex X500 Drone, the perfect choice for anyone who wants to experience the thrill of flying. It is all about making drones accessible and fun, and the X500 is no exception. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, this drone has something to offer. It's equipped with a 720p HD camera, making it easy to take great photos and videos from the sky. Features like optical flow positioning, altitude hold, and one-key takeoff and landing make it user-friendly. You can fly it without worrying about which way it's facing, thanks to the headless mode, and perform cool tricks with 360-degree flips and rolls. Plus, it has 2 speed modes to suit your skill level. With a flight time of 8 to 12 minutes and a range of 30 to 45 meters, it's perfect for exploration. So whether you're 14 or older, this dark gray drone, weighing 128 grams, is ready for your next adventure, and it charges in just 45 to 60 minutes. Enjoy the excitement of drone flying with the Simrex X500. Number 10. Aviologic Mini Drone. Aviologic, a brand that creates drones specifically designed for kids and beginners. Their latest drone is packed with exciting features, including a 1080p HD camera that can be adjusted up to 90 degrees for capturing great photos and videos. With FPV transmission, you can even watch live video on your phone while you fly. It's incredibly easy to operate with one key start/landing, altitude hold, and 3 different speed modes to choose from. You can also add some fun to your flights with 3D flips, trajectory flight, and even voice control. The package comes with 3 batteries, so you can enjoy longer flying sessions, and there's a convenient carrying case too. This lightweight drone is perfect for kids and beginners, promising extended flight times to make the most of your adventures in the sky. Explore the world of drone flying with Avialogic, where fun knows no bounds.